Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Hey, we are back from our install in York, PA yesterday, and that video will follow this like in a couple seconds. But we're back in the shop and just want to let everyone know that's waiting on rethatches. We will be starting those next week. As far as I can see right now, that was our last distant install, and I don't think we're traveling real far. Most of the stuff's going to be local. Even though that was in York, PA, it took us about 2.5 to 3 hours to get there yesterday. So let me turn the camera around and let's see what we got going on here at the shop, and then we'll go right into yesterday's video. All right, hang on tight. Let me see where this button is because it's bright out here. Here we go. All right, so we are back, and there's Liam. He's cleaning out the trailer for today, and he's getting a palm count for me. Trailer's getting all cleaned out. What are you going to do with all the empty boxes? Just cut them all up, put them in the recycle?
Yeah, I think one of them's good. I might save that
all right.
If we need extra, but besides
all
that,
right. Yeah, if you notice, the camera is tilting up. Liam's about 8'4". Never needs a ladder for anything. All right, guys. Well, it's a beautiful day today, but we're getting cleaned up and reorganized from yesterday. I am, however, starting a bar for Florida. I'm going to be shipping that one down, though. It's going to be a bamboo bar, and as you guys know, I'm not a fan of bamboo, but that's what he wants. Customers almost always right. But I'm going to be starting that one shortly as soon as Liam's done getting all cleaned up and everything put back. We're going to be starting that one. I'll have a video of that out shortly as well. All right, well, on to the video from yesterday's install. It was a 8x6 custom red cedar tiki bar with a 10x12 indoor rethatched roof on it. So all right, on to the video. Hey guys, haven't posted a install video in a while, and when we got here, it took us about 3 hours to get here. We're in York, Pennsylvania right now. That's the driveway way down there, and it's coming off a main road. So this morning I had the guys out there in bright yellow stopping traffic so I could get the trailer backed all the way up to here. But as soon as we got here, I was kind of anxious to get the work started, so I didn't take a video. So let me show you guys what we got going on. So again, we're here in York, PA, and we're doing another 6x8 tiki bar. That's the popular size this year. So we already got the bar set up in place anyway. Got the poles on, the braces on, and we're putting together the roof now, which I got to get over there and make sure this goes right. But hey Liam, yeah, just wait for me to get the first one started, okay?
Okay.
All right. So so we got the roof together. It's really tight back here, as you can see. The roof's actually overhanging the pool, and but it should be light enough that there's 4 of us here on this project, and the homeowner Eric, he might be able to help. So figured I better stop, make a video real quick. I know a lot of you guys follow me, and I appreciate all your comments and everything else. So I'm going to get back to work, and I'll have another one attached to this. So until then, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys. Well, here we are. We are done. We're getting ready to head back to Chalfont. And there's Eric. What do you think of your tiki bar, Eric?
Amazing.
All right. No complaints?
None.
All right.
0.
Good.
Beautiful. I
got that on video, just in case.
Good.
All right, guys. So we have a 8x6 custom red cedar tiki bar with a 10x12 roof and 8 custom Tiki Kev swivel bar stools. And if you order one now, you get a free Liam. All right. So who did this? Oh, yeah, Tiki Kev. All right. So we got 8 bar stools, and we got rope lighting, as you can see when I walked up, but I'll show you anyway. There it is. And this one has an ice bin. No refrigerator in this one, but an ice bin. We got some side shelves and cabinets in the back. So that's about it for this one. It's a 10x12 Endure Reed Viva 3.0 thatched roof. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Not too bad. Got an outlet there, and it's plugged in. Goes all the way around. The wire's buried there, all the way over there. So that's about it for this one. And we'll be moving on to the next project. We have rethatches we're going to be getting to now because this was, I believe this is our last install. Man, we're almost in September. That sucks. Can't believe summer's gone already. It's going to be Labor Day in a couple days. So, all right, well, from York, PA, and the Tiki Kev crew of, they're gone. They're gone. Anthony left at 1 o'clock. You know what? Anthony, I hope you watch this. But, dude, you leave at 1 o'clock every day. How do we get anything done? Well, we got a Denny and a Liam. That's how we get stuff done. There's Liam. Where's Denny at?
I have no idea.
Dude, he disappeared too. Oh, maybe he went to the bathroom.
Walked home, probably.
Yeah, could have. All right, guys. From York, PA, Tiki Kev out.